Hello, students. How are you all? As we know, we have completed 3 chapters. This is our third chapter, that is a friendship and duty. There we have seen the story. So, this is a very interesting topic we are going to study. Is from grammar. That is prefix. Pre word itself says that pre means before, fix means to fix it at the right place. So prefix, when we have a word, we would like to make it a new word from it, we have to fix in the beginning. That is called prefix. It is a part of grammar based on from your chapter. Placed, you can see the definition which is already given in your textbook. A prefix is a letter or group of letters placed at the beginning of the word to alter its meaning. Why do we use prefix? Why do we use the suffix, which I'll explain you later? To alter its meaning, to make it negative, to make it proper. The negative of some words formed by adding a prefix. When we want to make a negative word, opposite word, so with the help of prefix, with the help of words or group of words which adds in the beginning and make it as an opposite word, is known as prefix. As you can see the examples, there are certain examples like direct. It is direct, but when I add in before direct, it become indirect. So in is prefix plus direct is equal to indirect. Probable, improbable. So I am plus probable is equal to improbable. Responsible, irresponsible. Ir plus responsible, irresponsible. Legal, illegal. Ill, legal, illegal. Ill plus legal, illegal. Direct, indirect. Probable, improbable. Responsible, irresponsible. Legal, illegal. So these are prefixes. These are called prefixes. The words which are known as prefixes, which are added in the beginning, are in, im, ir, ill. We can solve this exercise. Make negatives of the following adjectives by adding a prefix. Competent, incompetent. Pleasant, unpleasant. Mature, immature. Dignified, indignified. Relevant, irrelevant. Literate, illiterate. Logical, illogical. Partial, impartial. Balanced, imbalanced. Materialistic, immaterialistic. Definite, indefinite. Materialistic, unmaterialistic also be there. Indefinite, comfortable, uncomfortable. Again I'll repeat: competent, incompetent. So im, ill, un, ir, ill, they are all added in the beginning, and these adjectives became negative adjectives. So this is called prefix. I'll give you the exercises. I'll post the exercises in the group. Suffix. Apart from prefix, there is suffix. Suffix means which is added at the end of the word, is known as suffix. It changes the meaning of that word. compare, comparable. Okay, responsible, responsibility. Such I'll explain you later. From this activity 4, that is a prefix which you have studied, I'll repeat. Prefix is a letter or group of letters placed at the beginning of the word to alter its meaning. The negative of some words formed by adding a prefix. So it is very easy and beautiful exercises which you can do it today. I'll post you the worksheets for the same. Thank you. Have a great day. Hope you have read all the 3 units of your English chapter. First is landscape, second is relationship with animals, third is friendship and duty. So these 3 units are completed, children. You have to pay attention. You have to be prepared with the question answers, be prepared with the other exercises of the textbook, and ask the doubts if you have so. Keep reading, keep shining, keep smiling. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay tuned for the next video.